and it's plug and play. So all you can go unplug it, plug it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So you need more battery power in order to also allow it to go faster, right?
More battery power and all three of it come together when you modify.
Okay.
Yeah.
How easy is it for me to go and buy what I need for the drive sharing?
Okay, so there are some errors included. There are 7 people here. You can also find it on online portal if you know where to look. So I will show you some screenshots that I have now. These are not